sorry. Also, I sound sick because I feel sick. Don't know if I'm sick or if it's just allergies, but anyway, you're watching me do this. I have had a theory. Give me this. No, give me this. So, you know how Bakugo's a good cook, right? Right? Yeah, and it's literally proven at the forest place where he got kidnapped. R.I.P. you if you haven't watched My Hero Academia. So hold on. Oh wait, we're not asking about all this. Anyway, just find a picture. Nope. My bad. Anyway, Bakugo is very, very good at cooking, right? And Gordon Ramsay is good at cooking. I feel sick, oh god. And Bakugo is blonde, right? So is Gordon Ramsay. Ignore how the shading got off here. They both have spiky hair and have pulled a Todoroki, you know? Is Bakugo Gordon Ramsay's secret love child?